8.
Oh, good.
I mean, I'll go left and then stop where it's, convenient. So. And they shut down Cabot.
No.
Holy.
Did he just are you serious?
Wow. Are y'all okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's not you, it's him.
I saw it and couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
I couldn't even say anything. I was like, in my mouth.
I always find it weird how you're gonna run the red. Wow, Jesus Christ! Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, you got buddy. You got. Oh, that's hilarious. I got that on video too.
You guys okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm nothing even. Oh my gosh, my nose is bleeding out. Are you good? Yeah, I'm good. Is everyone okay? Yeah, I didn't even get hurt. Oh my.
Unless something changes. Oh God. Jeez, this car is.
What the actual? Damn! That was just an accident. That's a hit and run. I think they hit. I'm not for sure.
Mother.
got this. It's okay, we have a camera. We have a camera. We're okay, baby. Just
I'm not supposed to do that.
Something fell off of their truck.